morning.
Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to hit up the Rancheria Falls.
Do you remember how many miles is this?
I want to say it's 4 miles round trip, but don't quote me on it right now. We always end up doing this. It says 0.5 miles, but it ends up being 3.3 miles.
So we'll see.
We'll see. So supposedly it's 4 miles round trip. So 2 miles in, 2 miles out. But we'll find out, I guess.
How do you like it so far?
It's nice. It's shaded. It's early in the morning, so it's not hot.
And we're the only ones here.
And we are the only ones here. Maybe because people partied last night too much.
This trail is pretty nice, right?
Yeah. Shaded.
Shaded. It's cool.
It's got an incline, but not too steep.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to say dogs are allowed because there's dog camping.
Yeah, we saw 2 dogs earlier too.
Should we tell them what I had to do?
Yeah.
So I'm a little winded because Maria thought I had the drone. However, I did not. So I had to run all the way back down, grab the drone, and then come back up the hill to meet her. So now, let's continue. And I'm out of shape.
Lego.
Let's go.
That's the falls now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually quite tall. It's beautiful. Look at that. So we're gonna go try get closer to the falls, right?
Yeah.
How do you like the trail?
I love it. It's really nice, not too hard. Mostly incline on the way to the falls, but not really steep. You know?
It's very short too.
Yeah, and the weather's nice. You can get closer to the falls if you decide to. It feels really, really good there. You like the breeze from the falls. It's a pretty crazy drop. I don't know if you see. But as you get closer, you can definitely tell how far the falls are actually up. But definitely worth to see. It's a real easy trail, not hard at all. If you're in the area, it's definitely a place you want to check out. I highly recommend it. And you might see some really huge squirrels here. I think they're on steroids. They're freaking huge.
No, they're cute and fluffy.
They're almost like a beaver, but no flat tail.
Yeah. They're very cute.
I mean, you can see the view behind me. It's amazing. Yeah, of course, the video never does a good justice.
Yep.
You have to be here.
To see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Lego.
Let's go.
Let's go home.